Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about class 8 ICSE course chapter number 5 of physics, that is light. Objective question. Choose the correct option. First one. Which of the following statements regarding dispersion is not correct? A. It occurs whenever light is refracted. B1. It occurs when light passes through a prism. C. It can be caused by a refraction of light but not by the reflection of light. D1. Rainbows form due to the dispersion of white light by droplets of water. So the answer is it occurs whenever light is reflected. Because dispersion is a phrase in which any kinds of a surface is there in which the light is being splitted into all parts and reflected. Then second one, when a ray of light parallel to the principal axis is incident on a concave mirror, the reflected ray passes through C, passes through F, passes midway between pole and focus. D retracts its path. So the answer is passes through focus. Because whenever light is parallel at the parallel point, focus is there, so that's why it will reflect the light in the focus. Then the image formed by a concave mirror is larger in its size than object. Which of the following statements cannot be correct? The object lies between the focus and the center of curvature of mirror. So this is not correct because the object cannot lie in a focus and the center of curvature of mirror, as they are two different points at two different sides at the midway of path, which the focal length and the focus divides. The image formed by a concave mirror is inverted, magnificent, real, virtual. So it is virtual as the light is reflected in the convex mirror, and also the small erected objects are being reflected. Then which of the following is not correct with respect to all spherical mirrors? The pole lies on the principal axis, the focal length at the half of the radius of curvature. Both the real and virtual images can be formed by them. Light rays moving towards the passing through the center of curvature retracts its path after every refraction. The answer is both real and virtual image can be formed by them. So because spherical mirrors are the mirrors, those are with curved surfaces. So that's why both real images and the virtual images can be formed on a spherical mirror. When a light ray moves towards the focus on a convex mirror, the reflected ray passes through C, is the parallel to principal axis, passes through focus, retracts its path in the incident ray. The answer is parallel to the principal axis, as when the light ray moves toward the focus of the convex mirror, as they are small and erected with the virtual images. Also, some of the convex mirror are with slightly curved surfaces, which are also known as spherical mirrors. So whenever the light ray passes through the focus of center or curvature, it forms a refraction towards principal axis. Then right, true or false? Water is optically denser than air. So this is true, as the density of air and water are two different, because in the reflection index we have seen that air and water are two different mediums in which light travels, and whenever any object passes through water and then through the air, in the air the speed is maintained and in the water speed is slowed down. So whenever air and water is compared, water is highly dense than air. Then second one, atmospheric refraction occurs because of the varying density of air and atmosphere. So as the atmospheric refraction takes place when the light rays passes through one surface to another surface with a medium, so that's why this statement is also correct. concave mirrors are used as rear view mirrors in vehicles. So these are false, because in the real view mirrors, the convex mirror are used as their virtual images formed smaller, and erected are also images formed so that a person with the driving of vehicle, he can see that whatever bikes and cars are coming after him. Fourth, a pool of water appears shallower than it's really due to the reflection of light. This is false, because if the water is shallower than air, so basically the air is having no density, then the water is highly dense. So that's why some cases the water looks like the shallower than it's really due to the reflection of light, but it is not. Then fifth one, star twinkle due to the atmospheric refraction. This is true, because star doesn't have their own shine, they get the shine by the sun only, whereas the light is reflected towards the sun to the stars. And also some of the astrology says that the sun is giving light to both stars and galaxy with the moon, because they don't have their own natural light, and it is provided by sun only. Concave mirrors are used as shaving mirrors. So these are also true. You have seen some mirrors in which we say, like we say our daily life, we comb our hairs by seeing the mirror only. The mirror we are using in our daily life, that is the concave mirror, in which two opposite sides are being seen. And also in some of the mirrors, they are not real, but actually in the concave mirror it is real, virtual, and also forming an erected and curved surface reflection. So these were some of the exercise. In next video we'll proceed further with another questions. Thank you.